Card Making in Easy Steps is a kit. That's right. It's going to come in this box, which is going to look just like the cover of the magazine. And the magazine it's called right here, your all-in-one kit to go crafting tonight. Well, that's great because not only do you have instructions in the magazine, but you also have, let me see, there's a cutting die, so a great big flower, a dragonfly, and 2 more flowers. There is an embossing folder, so you can use that in many ways. And look at all of these stamps. I think I'll set it right here. So lots of them, and I should have a count for you, but I don't, but lots of them. So on this large sheet, so you can see that there's flowers, there's the dragonfly that's going to match the cutting die. You've got words and greetings. You've got this beautiful corner stamp, as well as this silhouette spray. You've got a bottle right here and a flower that could go into it or into a pot. Lots of words, as I said, and in addition, they've done something different with these papers. You're going to get 8 sheets, but they're divided in half. So you get 2 on every single one, but that's not all. You get 2 others on the back side. So for every sheet, you've got 4 examples, 4 things that you can use. So lots of choices. So as you can see, 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and we repeat. Here we go. Now all of these are individual and they're really a generous size, so I'm sure you're going to find them really, really useful for your card making. Sweet designs all right there. There we go. So all of that, wow, no wonder you can get started tonight, as it says. Let me show you some ideas that are in the magazine, and yes, I've got Post-its right there to help me out. So as you can see, we've got all occasions. So this is kind of all of them, but then you see them each individually, and that's so helpful. And as you probably know, the instructions are either in inches or in centimeters. So it's going to be one or the other, not both, but you can easily figure that out. That's what Google is for, isn't it? Isn't that beautiful? I never would have thought of doing something like that. There's that corner that I showed you. Isn't that pretty? A lot of plain color around it, but very, very striking. Let me see. There's a wonderful Windows section. There is using the embossing folder, and isn't that stunning? Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Using that little dragonfly with a piece of vellum over the top with the greeting on it. Really gorgeous. So, isn't that pretty with that ombre look? And we've got, isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Yes, drop dead gorgeous. And let me see, here's the next. Ooh, pretty, very pretty and striking. Oh, isn't that lovely? Yes, flowers, you just can't go wrong with them. And look how striking that is on the black with white embossing powder. Gorgeous. So lots of ideas. As a matter of fact, there are 67 inspiring ideas using your kit. Your kit practically has everything. We're delighted to have Practical Publishing, but we're really happy that it is exclusively at paperwishes.com.